All right, so we're going to look at this question. So this is what we might call a problem-solving question. So let's just have a think about it and see if we can come up with a plan before we dive into it. So first thing I notice is that this is a 2-mark question. Okay, so it gives me some sort of clue as to how much work's going to be involved. It might not be the simplest one, but there's not going to be so much to do. So I think if I can find my first step, I should be fairly home and dry. Okay, so let's make sure we read the question and go and look at everything. We'll highlight the important bits. So the first thing we are told is that this is a rectangle. Okay, so that's gonna tell us something. We'll just come back to that in a minute. We're told that all the measurements are in centimetres, and we're being asked to find the value of x. So it's this value here that we want to know, this one here. So we've got our rectangle, and we're told that this is x plus 1. We're told that this is 4, we're told that this is 6, and we're told that this is x minus 1. So we've got all the important information, I think, highlighted. It's saying here the diagram's not accurately drawn, so there's no point in getting a ruler out or doing anything like that. It's not an accurate drawing, so there's a different approach we're going to need. So the key to this one is interpreting what we've got. Now, by being told that it's a rectangle, what do we know about rectangles? We know rectangles are 4-sided shapes. We can see that. We know all the sides are straight lines. And most importantly, we know that this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. So actually, what we can do on this question is we can write an equation. So we're told that top side, which is x plus 1, is equal to the bottom side, which is 6. So I can write an equation that's obviously very easy to solve. So x equals 5. Now, what we should also do there is, because it's in centimetres, we need to put the units in. It may be on the exam that the units might have been on the question paper, but always check that and make sure if the units are not there, you always state them. Okay, and there we go. That's that problem done.